Hey, welcome back to the Science Lab. It's me, your science dude, Calvin,
Savannah.
and today we're going to be talking about Give a Lift. We're going to have our popcorn kernels, got some water, and we have some additives to just kind of see what's going to make these kernels float or not. First, we have just our water. We're going to pop a few kernels in there. Well, we tried, but it looks like they didn't quite float. So next we're gonna try a little something different. We're gonna add some baking soda to this middle one, 2 tablespoons of it. And we mix it. And just a mix. Mostly dissolved. There we go. Now we're gonna plop our kernels into it. And considering I don't see them floating on the top, I'm gonna say that didn't work either. Yeah, you can see them right there on the bottom. They're just chilling down there. So lastly, well, next to last, we're gonna try and add some vinegar. One and a 2 and a 3. Let's try and drop those in there and see what happens. All right, well, as we can see, we still just got them sitting down there. It means those kernels are pretty dense compared to the water. So let's try a little something different. We're gonna have a little fun with this, but be careful, you gotta add it slowly. Gonna add 2 tablespoons of the baking soda. Oh, I know, look at that. As you can see, thanks to that carbon dioxide attaching to the kernels, they're floating on up. So just a little something extra just to give it that boost it needs. It's kind of like when Jesus fed the 5,000. The kid only had the fish and the 2 loaves, but because brought it to Jesus, he prayed to his father, they would be able to do a little something extra with it.